Just close your eyes and let them rest. I know it's hard to fall asleep, but do your best. 'Cause there's a place that I go to when I wanna hide from all the shades of blue.
안녕하세요 여러분. 오늘 아침은 이걸로 간단하게 떡국 끓여 볼게요.